What's going on, guys? Today we're back. Check out what we got. So that is the Smittybilt 9500 winch, and today I'm going to show you how to install it. In my case here, the winch doesn't quite fit. I need to take the Dremel and cut out this middle section of the grill. I cut away this bottom bit here. That's the slip. I'm going to see if the winch fits. As you can see, with a hole there, it needs to move further back, so I got to take this whole bottom bar out of the grill here. I can't mount it here without cutting out a huge chunk of my grill, so I think I can get away with doing this mounting and not cut out all of my grill. So the first step here is to make this bracket right here. Pretty straightforward. Just follow that. I gotta make the other one, and then it attaches to the back of this guy here. Alright, these brackets are made here, and I'll show you. Boom, 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 boom. Here's how they go on. Just like that, top and bottom. Okay, the brackets are on, so this actually fits on the winch. Bolt 1, bolt 2. Alright, so the next bit here is actually super duper straightforward. C goes to where it clearly says C here. D goes to where it clearly says D. And B, you guessed it, where it clearly says B. As you can see, they're all connected. Let's give her a test fit. Looks like I'm going to have to cut a lot more out of this grill than I thought. Yikes. I almost forgot to mention that the kit comes with the main ground cable here. It goes to the A at the bottom as well as this other little wire. So once you've got the wiring all routed and figured out here, and she's in place where you want to mount her, these little go into the feet and a little hole down there. There, you can see it just in there. Then you get these guys, and then you screw it in from the bottom. So once she's all mounted, the last step, of course, is super easy. Power and ground. And check it out. Got her in there. Plug in the controller. And out. Sweet. Back in.